how to convert GGives to GCash wallet using GPO. So to convert GGives to a GCash wallet using a GPO or the GCash Payroll outlet, you can't directly convert them, but it offers a loan product used for purchases. So it's used for cash in and cash out transactions. So here's what you can do. You can use GGives to purchase items at a store and then use the cash you receive from selling those items to deposit into your GCash wallet at a GPO. So first, using your GGives for purchases, where it's a feature where you can buy and use it to buy items at stores that accept GCash and offers GGives as a payment option. So you want to cash out the GGives. So if needed, you want to get the money from your GGives loan into your GCash wallet for use at a GPO, you can cash out your GGives loan. You can cash out it by using the money to buy something at a store that allows cash out or by selling the item you bought with GGives. So alternatively, you can use GGives to buy items and then sell those items for cash. And then lastly, you want to deposit the cash at GPO. So once you have a cash from selling the item, you can go to the GCash Payroll outlet or the GPO and then follow the instructions provided by the GPO staff to deposit the cash into your GCash wallet. So here's what you can take note. There's no direct transfers and you need to sell the items, and be sure to follow the instructions for the GPO transactions and report any issues if there are any problems with the customer support.